suppose you are getting a flight ticket. Okay, so there are so many destinations. So where if you are getting this chance, you can go any destination. So what will be your priority?
In India or anywhere in the world.
Anywhere, not in India, anywhere. And company
So
is
my
bearing all the expenses.
So my dream is to go Saudi Arabia for our holy places, Kaaba Sharif. So I will prefer to go there, and it is one.
Good evening. How are you?
Yes, I am doing well. What about you?
I'm also doing good. What about your Sunday? How are you enjoying your Sunday?
Yeah, it's quite usual. Means today is Sunday. It was my off. Actually, I am a working professional, so I do work at hospital. So it's very nice. I enjoyed this Sunday. Means I went somewhere to have some fun. So it's really good.
Hmm. Where are you from?
I am connecting you from Bihar. I live in Patna,
Patna, capital of Bihar.
capital.
Okay.
Yes, yes, you're right.
Hmm. Okay. I am Tanya. I'm joining you from Rajasthan. I'm a homemaker. I have a channel also, English Elevation Biojustry, where I'm uploading my daily conversation video. And my hobby is playing badminton. And mostly in my free time, I'm watching good movies and web series also. That's all about me.
Oh, that's great to hear about you, ma'am. It's amazing
I
introduction from
forget.
you.
I forget your name. What's your name?
So my name is Anis Alam.
Anish Alam. Okay. So you are working in hospitals.
Yeah. Would you like to know about my introduction? Can I introduce
Yes.
myself? Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yes.
well,
Sure.
I'm Anis Alam. I'm connecting you from Bihar. Currently, I live in Patna. I do work at hospital as a doctor assistant. If I'll talk about my education qualification, I completed my degree in nursing from Bengaluru. Apart from it, if I'll talk about my hobbies, I love to play cricket and visit new places and explore the new ideas. Yes, this is
Hmm.
something about me. Thank you.
Okay. Do you think nursing is a very challenging job?
Yeah, it's quite challenging job. Means every job I think is challenging. You have to do some extra effort to
No,
do
no.
that.
Sometime like doctors and nursing staff are doing late night jobs also. Like there are some
Yes,
operations, some surgeries. That's why
yeah.
I'm asking.
No, it's a really challenging job. Means there is some time schedule is there, but when emergency has come, so you must have to be there with their patients. You have to give some extra time for the
Yes,
patients.
that's why I'm asking. It's a very
Yeah,
challenging job.
yeah, it's a really challenging job.
Mostly doctors and their supporting staffs are mostly they are occupied in some work. Like sometimes they're busy in operation. They are, preparing the OT. They are
Yeah,
checking in the OT what
you
is
are very
essential for today.
yes.
Yes.
You are very, I think, aware of this. So, what do you means? How did you know these things? So, you work in hospital. So, you went hospital for any work.
I think nowadays everyone is, sometimes they are going into the hospital because of
Mm,
some reasons. Yes. So
okay.
mostly where we are, like they are always occupied in some works.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I
So,
also work in the
hmm,
OT sector. OT only. I work in the cardiology department at cardiology cath lab. So, I we have to deal with the patient of heart attack. So, in general surgery only, like it's it's
hmm.
not some incision. We are not cutting any part of the patient. Means we are not cutting skin also. So just we are doing procedure percutaneously by needle or some extra catheters. Yeah.
Actually, like I have a daughter also, and she's from C-section. That time, I personally want the OT.
Okay, that's why you know all the things about OT.
Yes. And before that, I was not aware what is the requirements of the OT, how they are preparing the OT. And I don't know particularly, especially I don't know about the anesthesia.
Okay.
Yes, that time I watched all things, anesthesia, operation table,
Yeah, anesthesia is another department. Means anesthesiologist, doctors there. Yeah,
because they are using this anesthesia for their patient.
yeah,
And when they are doing C-section, mostly they are used,
yeah.
mostly not compulsory, I can say, they are using anesthesia.
Yeah, Yeah, it's very important. You must have to do anesthesia before any surgery.
Hmm. So, they are all, I can say, all the body part will numb and they can easily do the, C-section and any kind of operation, surgery.
Operation, yes, you're right. Yeah,
Hmm.
you're right.
So, tell me something about Patna city. What is special in
Yeah,
Patna?
Patna, in Bihar, so many things are special. In Patna, what can I say? Mm, not
Hmm.
very special things in Patna. Gandhi Setu is there, and yes, one
Gandhi
more thing,
Maidan also.
Gandhi
Gandhi
Maidan is
Maidan
also
also.
there. Yes, some
Hmm.
stadiums are there, and yeah, in Bihar, if I'll talk, so in Bihar, so many exploring means visiting area is there. If you'll go to Rohtas, city of
Hmm.
Rohtas, and yeah, so many waterfalls, water dam, and mountain is
Hmm.
there. So it's very amazing experience. I went there. So and
There is
Rajgir,
a,
glass,
yes,
glass,
Rajgir, glass bridge.
mm,
Hmm.
yeah, glass bridge is very famous right now. Yes, uh, very.
Hmm.
Uh, means rare things are famous in Bihar.
Yeah, there are so many famous things in Bihar, but I'm talking particularly about Patna. Like there is
But
one Gandhi Maidan also. Most of the
mm,
celebrities are, when they are coming to Patna,
yes,
they always went in the Gandhi Maidan.
yes. Recently, the Pushpa Raj has come
Yes,
and they launched their trailer from Gandhi Maidan only. Yes,
yes.
Gandhi Maidan is very
Hmm.
big. Means Maidan. That's why
Hmm.
all the celebrities and every election parties and that
Hmm.
program has done in held in Gandhi Maidan
Yeah.
only. Yeah, it's very famous.
That's why I know Gandhi Maidan is very famous in Patna
Mm-hmm. Yes,
because recently
I
Allu
live
Arjun
very near to
attended
the
one
Gandhi
trailer. Yes,
Maidan.
yes.
I live very near to the Gandhi Maidan. Just it's walking distance from here. What where I'm living right now. Just 5 to 10 minutes walking distance.
Do you also fond of watching movies?
Uh, Yes, nowadays I am not watching any movie because it's very time taking. But I watch some movies. Means I watch this Pushpa 2 and very means which movie got viral. That movie I prefer to watch. But earlier time I very excited. I very interested to watch movies. But nowadays the time has gone only watching reels and doing these things. So what we can, with our what we are doing right now means. If you are managing, you are running a YouTube, you have to do some extra things. It means you have to do edit of your videos and you have to make thumbnails. So it's very time taking things. So I'm a working professional, so my time has gone in hospital only. What are the times I'm have? So I'm utilizing this time to do such things. Yeah.
Hmm. What kind of reels are you consuming? Entertainment, comedy, cooking?
Yeah, I love to watch the comedy scenes, comedy movie. And
Mm-hmm.
right now, I'm just utilizing my means. I don't use Instagram, Facebook. I just have only YouTube. So where I watch this English content, English related content means it may be the podcast. I very interested to watch podcast and some speeches I prefer to watch. And
Mm.
yes, English conversation video. I also watch this kinds of video
Mm. Apart from this application, are you also using some other applications?
for
Like you
conversation.
are using Skype application, and apart from Skype, there are some other applications where we can do English
I
practice.
use no, right now I use this app only. I didn't use any other app. I just use this app. But in this app, no, some issues are there. Means when we want to connect with someone, that time we are not getting partners. We have to wait sometimes to reply or text to other person, other partners.
Because right now there are so many participants. That is the reason.
Yeah, when I message in group or anywhere, no one is replied. Sometimes they replied, sometimes not, and sometimes the partners means co-learner, the strangers are messaging like anyone interested. I message, I replied to them. Then also they are not connected. I don't know. They are already connected with someone. That's why I think, or
Hmm.
what happened. But the right means these days I'm getting these problems. Earlier time it was okay.
Actually, right now there are so many participants. If someone is posting, someone is free for, they can join me. And after that posting, they are getting so many calls. So
Yeah.
sometimes they are puzzled. How can we attend, so many calls? This is the reason.
Mm.
And I
Yeah.
saw your message. Then I thought, okay, today I have do this conversation. Mostly I'm
Yeah.
not doing any conversation on Sunday, but today I'm free. So I was just thinking, okay, today I should consume my time in the conversation.
Okay. Okay. Why, man? Why not you are recording on Sunday? Do you have any extra work on Sunday?
Double work because
Okay.
everyone is on everyone is spending their Sunday, like my husband,
Uh,
my daughter, they are at home.
mhm.
So
At
they are
home.
demanding
So,
some, food, their favorite food.
mm,
So
mm,
all day I'm just, engage in making
make
some
food for
food.
them.
Yes.
Mm. Okay, I understand. So I also was trying for a long time to connect with you. Means I called you. I thought means I was thinking, okay, some new learners are there. That's why they are not. What happened? But I messaged you. I called you so many times. You can watch your like means yeah.
Mm. That is the reason. Mostly, I'm not doing any conversation on Sunday. But today,
Sunday.
I
Okay.
don't know how I get the time. Then I just think, okay, today I will do some conversation because there are so many co-learners. They want conversation with me, but I am not able to
Yes, ma'am.
attend these conversations. Yes,
Yes. Thank you so much for connecting with me today, ma'am.
yes. So, like, there are so many techniques for improving their skills, like mirror technique, shadowing, and doing practice with your co-learner, self-talk. So, what is your favorite?
Yes, my favorite is just connect with the partners, co-learners on video call. I am doing these things right now. I feel some nervousness when I go to the make some solo contents recording by myself. I am not getting much words.
Mm,
Can I use on my videos?
mm,
So when I connect with co-learners on video call, it's okay for me. I can confidently I can connect with them. I can talk with them. It's easy for me. But when it comes to speak alone on any topic or just record yourself, it's very difficult for me. I'm very, and one more thing is of me, like I'm not able to explain very enhancedly on any specific topic. Means I have not very much idea how can we enhance the explain of these things. So I'm very weak on this part. So that's why I'm not recording by myself and I'm not making solo content. I'm just connecting with the co-learners on video call for conversation only.
Same with me. Mostly I'm doing, video conversation. I'm not making any solo video. And really, I'm enjoying when I'm doing conversation with my co-learner because
Yeah.
they belong from different state. So they are also telling me their culture, their everyday routine, and like anything they can share.
Yes, yes, you're right. And when it comes to connect with someone or strangers, just general conversation, it's easy to go through that flow. Means you don't have to do some
Mm,
extra efforts. If you are planning to
mm,
do some solo, so you must have to do some extra efforts. Means what topic you should talk, what are the things we will cover. That is extra things you
mm,
have to do. When it comes to
mm,
connect with Poland, just it will go
mm.
the flow. Mm.
Yes. Okay. Suppose you are getting a flight ticket. Okay. So there are so many destinations. So where, if you are getting this chance, you can go any destination. So what will be your priority?
In India or anywhere in the world.
Anywhere, not in India, anywhere. And company
So
is,
my
bearing all the expenses.
mm, so my dream is to go Saudi Arabia for our holy
Mm,
places, Kaaba Sharif. So I will prefer to go there, and it is one of my dream. If will not anyone provide, inshallah, in future I will plan and I will go there.
yes.
कन्वर्जेशन के बाद है आज के कोई डेली यूज सेंटेंस। पहला सेंटेंस है, उसने सब कुछ दांव पर लगाने का निर्णय लिया और अपने सारे पैसे नए व्यवसाय में निवेश कर दिए। दांव पर लगाने को कहते हैं, सब कुछ दांव पर लगाने के लिए गो फॉर ब्रोक को यूज करते हैं। She decided to go for broke and invest all her savings in the new business. She decided to go for broke and invest all her savings in the new business. अगला सेंटेंस है in deep water यानी गहरे संकट में. He got into deep water after ignoring the company rules. He got into deep water after ignoring the company rules. अगला सेंटेंस है इन हॉट वाटर यानी इसका मतलब होता है इन ट्रबल, जब हम किसी बड़ी परेशानी में फंस जाते हैं. मार्क वॉज इन हॉट वाटर व्हेन ही एक्सीडेंटली सेंट अ प्राइवेट ईमेल टू द होल टीम. मार्क मुसीबत में पड़ गया जब उसने गलती से एक निजी ईमेल पूरी टीम को भेज दिया. मार्क वॉज इन हॉट वाटर व्हेन ही एक्सीडेंटली सेंट अ प्राइवेट ईमेल टू द होल टीम.